Hello everyone, this is CM Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, KSR College of Engineering. Let's deal with Mechatronics subject which handled in final year 7th semester. The unit contain, the video contain the unit 5. These are all the consist of the details which is in the videos. First one is introduction, main components of mobile picking and place robots, robotics terminology, specification and parts used, application advantages and future application, conclusion. And the introduction which is placed in the slide are: a robot is an automatic mechanical device guided by a computer program or electronic circuit. In highly developing societies, automation plays important roles to save human effort in most of the regular and frequently carried works. For this purpose, mobile pick-and-place robot, commonly named as a remote controller robot vehicle (RCRV), may be used. And similarly, many of the children having many toys which is as a remote control and the pick and place robots has been play the vital role in the child toys societies. Pick and place robots. Pick and place robot is an mechatronic system that pick object from the source location placed at a desired location. For detecting of object, infrared sensor are used which detect presence of object as a transmitter to receive path for the infrared sensor is interpreted by placing object. As soon as the robot sensor present of object, it moves towards object, pick it with the end effector and move along a way granted and finally placed it on a destination. If another object causes interpretation, it goes again the same job. Whole process is controlled by the microprocessor. The mobile pick-and-place robots speed up the process of picking parts and placing them in a new location, while also increasing production rate. These mobile pick-and-place robots are more accurate and do not fatigue while doing back-breaking movement that may be different for humans. The consistency, quality and repeatability of mobile pick-and-place robot system is unmatched. These systems are also versatile and can be reprogrammed and tooled to provide multi-application for consumers. An increase in output with the mobile pick-and-place robot systems offer long-term savings to company. With advancement in the technology and affordable of robots, more pick-and-place robot cells are being installed for automation applications. The main component of mobile pick-and-place robots are arm or multiple manipulator, end effector, driving mechanism, controller, base, and consumer features like sensor and transducer. Robot terminology has a robot terminology. First one is a link, a rigid piece of material connecting joints in the robots and the joints, the device which allow relative motion between the two adjoint link of the robots. The robots contain mainly three movements. One is rotational and radiation and vertical motion. These are all the three movements which is carried out in the robot movement. And the type of joints has majorly four type of joints: linear, rotational, twist and revolving. These joints has a diagram in the slide also. And jointed arm robot. The degree of freedom can be defined as a number of independent motion a device can perform. This is a block diagram for the degree of freedom of a jointed arm robot. And specification and part used. Characterization: axis has 2-axis movement capability. Cyclic time is approximately 20 seconds. Load carrying capability is 500 grams. Stroke length is 230 mm. Angle covered is 125 degree approximately. And motor RPM is 10 RPM. And working boundary is a hemispheric cycle. And the major parts contain robot is DC motor, gripping arm, lifter assembly, tracking wheel and warm drive, chase and power supply. These are all the major parts which is in the robot. And the applications are material handling, industrial robot application, welding, handling, trimming, sealing, spraying and palletizing. These are all the major applications for the robots. The automobile production. Over the last 3 decades, automobile factories has become dominated by the robots. A factory consists of hundreds of industrial robotics working on the fully automated production line with one robot for every 10 human works. On an automated production line, a vehicle chassis on a conveyor is welded, glued, paint and finally assembled at a sequence of robot stations. These are all the advantages. The advantages are speed, production, reliability, flexibility and saving and finally affordable. These are all the major advantages of robots. The future application is coal mining, military operation, firefighting operation, undersea robots, garbage collections, waste disposal operations, bottle filling plants, constructional work. These are all the future applications of the robots. And finally, the conclusion, the project is given the way of producing bigger effectiveness mobile robots for industrial application. Do you have any queries? Kindly contact me. This is CM Dinesh signing off from the video. Thank you.